Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dhadwal chemistry lessons. Today we'll be doing IUPAC nomenclature of compounds containing secondary prefix or substituent other than the alkyl group. Also, we will be doing IUPAC nomenclature of compounds containing one functional group or secondary suffix. The chain is of 4 carbon atoms. We start numbering from that end which is closest to the substituent. Substituent is chloro, so the name will be 2-chlorobutane. In this compound, the chain is of 5 carbon atoms. There are 2 substituents. Chloro comes at 2nd position, bromo at 3rd position, but because bromo comes alphabetically first, so the name will be 3-bromo 2-chloropentane. This compound is 4-ido-pent-2-ene. This is a methoxy group and this is a chain of 4 carbon atoms. So 2-methoxy-butane. This will be 1,2-diethoxy-ethane. This compound will be, we have a chain of 7 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 2 methyl groups, fluoro and a chloro group attached. So because C comes first, so 3-chloro, 5-fluoro, 3,5-dimethyl heptane will be the name. In this compound, again a chain of 7 carbon atoms. We have 2 methyl groups attached. I comes first, so 3-ido, 3,5-dimethyl, 5-nitro-heptane. N comes after M. In this compound, we have a chain of 5 carbon atoms having 2 double bonds. We start numbering from this end because this is closest to the substituent, and whereas the double bonds are in equivalent positions, so the name will be 2-chloro 3-ethyl penta 1,4-diene. Similarly, in this compound, the chain is of 4 carbon atoms. B comes first, so 2,3-dibromo 1,4-dichlorobutane. IUPAC nomenclature of compounds containing one functional group or secondary suffix. So first rule is select the longest chain containing the carbon atom to which the functional group is attached in longest chain, but it does not contain the carbon atom to which the functional group is attached. So we reduce the size of the chain and the chain will now be of 5 carbon atoms. This is the correct way of selecting the parent chain. Now the functional group is attached to the carbon. We start the numbering. This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the name is 2-ethyl pentane 1-ol. Next rule, we number in such a way that the carbon atom bearing the functional group gets the lowest number. So if this is a chain of 5 carbon atoms, even though 2 substituents are present over here, but because functional group is here, we start numbering from this end, and the name will be 4,4-dimethyl pentane 2-ol. In this compound, the name will be, because from either side OH gets the 3rd locant, so we start numbering from this end, so the name will be 2,2-dimethyl pentane 3-ol. While writing the name, the E of the ane is dropped and it is followed by ol. If the organic compound contains terminal functional group such as CHO, COOH, COCl, CONH2, COR, CN, etc., the numbering of the parent chain must start from the functional group carbon atom. The chain will be numbered from this end, a chain of 5 carbon atoms. So the name will be 2-ethyl 3-methyl pentanal. No need to write the position of the carbon atom because it will always be at one position. If a compound contains 2 or more similar groups, the numerical prefixes di, tri, tetra, etc. are used to indicate these. So this will be propane 1,3-diol, propane 1,2,3-triol. Notice that E is retained in this compound because the suffix starts with a consonant. Normally for COH we use oic acid, but if the number of terminal groups are more than 2, 3 or more, then in that case, because we cannot include all the terminal groups in the parent chain, so we will include neither of the chain and we will give the special suffix such as carboxylic acid for COH group, carbaldehyde for CHO group, carbonitrile for CN group, and carboxyamide for CONH2 group. So for example, this is a compound. There are 3 terminal functional groups. We cannot include this one. We will include neither then. And the chain will be reduced to a chain of 4 carbon atoms. And the name will be butane 1,3,4-tricarbaldehyde. That's all in today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.